Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this, I'm going to show you how to upload your NFT to NFT Testnet. Basically, same way you can upload NFT to NFT mainnet. So basically, the only difference is just the test fund and the main fund. So basically, we're going to be using smart contract to do this. So and if you need Solidity, I believe you should just go and learn how to do right Solidity. Basic knowledge of Solidity can help you with that. So don't be scared about this. The code will be in the GitHub repo. Check the screen link below. You're going to see code. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel because it actually encourages us a lot. So basically, so this is the code. Well, this code was written using OpenZeppelin, so that you can see where I ported every single library from OpenZeppelin. So you can just check out OpenZeppelin to know understand how to create write code or NFT smart contracts using Opus Zeppelin. Also, you can also use ChatGPT to write a smart contract. So let's continue. For you to understand more, I can just give advise you to just check this out, learn Solidity free code camp. You're going to understand basics of Solidity. So let's continue from where we stop. So this is the smart contract. So how you just need to do every single code is going to be in the GitHub repo. So if you check the smart contract, that's smart contract. Then if you come down, you see a constructor file, constructor.ts, that's TypeScript and deploy.ts. So you can see this. So I'm going to show you how you get your IPFS code. That's basically what you need. And if you check your .env file, you're going to see some stuff like your Sepolia URL, your private key, and your Ethan kind of API key also. So I'm going to show you how to get all this. So once you don't get these are the three basic things you need to get. Every other thing is provided from you can get everything from the GitHub repo. So let's continue now. So first of all, go to our smart contract. So this is a smart contract, right? So now next first is for us to create a account with five Bs, right? So because that's where you're going to be uploading your NFT in order for you to link it to your um um so when you deploy it's going to it's the database that is going to be stored is called the Firebase. So basically we believe Web3 is kind of decentralized fully, but not true in some aspects. So we'll come later to that. But web okay I'm going to create an account with Firebase first. That's what I'm going to do now. So, oh, sorry, I already have an account with Firebase. So basically, just go to Firebase.com. Very easy. Create an account. Normal way you create an account with any platform so far. So now, next for you to do now is for you just you're going to create a bucket, right? Go to your bucket. I think I already have a bucket here before called subscribe, right? So because I want you to subscribe to my channel, so I'll create an account called bucket. I'll call it sub, right? I just call it sub. Create the bucket. Now, once you're done creating the bucket, you can just upload a file to the bucket. So let me look for file to upload. I'm going to upload this. I don't know what to upload. Let's upload anything I feel like. So I'm going to upload that. Once it's done uploading, we'll copy this particular file, this yeah, we'll copy this for you. And also in my next video, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Because in my next video, I'm going to show you guys how to download NFT pictures, like the NFT itself from OpenSea RealNet or like mainnet or testnet. You can download the real file itself. For instance, you like a particular NFT and you feel like getting the NFT for yourself, just getting the picture or without paying for it. It's kind of very easy for it to get because those things aren't stored in the blockchain itself. It's actually stored in a particular database, just like Firebase, for instance. This Firebase. So let's continue with what we're saying here. So we're going to this. So next thing for us to do now is for us to go to our deploy ts. So we're going to change this to that one we just created now, right? I'll click on save. And next thing for us to do now is for us to go to and we can just call this sub nft, right? Sub nft, right, yeah. So we save, we copy this. There's a particular file you need to download in your folder, or you can just copy and create the file if you find it difficult to locate it in the folder. So, but it's kind of very easy for those using iOS device. So, I will click on save also, right? So, everything is here, okay, up and running. Yeah, same thing goes here. So, and here, same thing goes to our smart contract. We're going to test everything. Now, this particular thing, which is a player key, private key, and the rest. So, first of all, we need to get this key, right? So, now we'll go back to So go back to your alchemy, right? So I believe you know this, or you can just create an account from this, then you create a new project. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. So click on app. Now you can see create a new project, all right? So click on create a new project. So I'm going to call this sub NFT, right? Um, sub. Let's call it again. So I'm going to put in a test net, which is Sepolia. That's what I want to use, right? Because I'm using deploying Sepolia test net. So we're going to get an API key here, right? So you can see we're using HTTP. I copy this. You go back to your smart contract, then you paste it here, right? Then you save. So next thing is a private key, right? To get a private key, now this private key that's what I want to still use. But in order for you to get your private key, you can just go to your wallet, your MetaMask account. So once you are in this my MetaMask account, well, this is just a testimony. Click on these three dots here. You're going to see account details there. So you see this is your wallet address. Show private key. This is your private. You enter your password first. So we're in. Then these are private key. Just copy your private key and use, right? So that's that for that on how to get your private key. Copy the private key and you paste it there also, right? You paste it here also. Now the last but not least is our Etherscan API, right? So to get our Etherscan API, now to get our Etherscan API, now you can see this API key here at the front here, right? This here, let's copy. Okay, you can see for a particular URL, we're going to put this URL. So let's go and get that URL first. Sorry. So we're looking at sub NFT, right? So click on this. Alright. So we're looking for that particular URL. Oh, same thing. We just copy this. Same thing with the other one there. Sorry, I made a mistake. Not focusing on the wow. This and this. The same thing. Oh, I should have just called it directly here, but there's no point here. So just paste that here, night, and save. So as I was saying, if you want to edit those particular stuff, you can just check. You can just the index file, edit this index file. You can change anything you feel like changing from the index file. So like the logo, you can change the logo by looking for the URL, logo URL, and changing it, uploading the right logo in logo folder. Aside that, the other thing is to do. For instance, now let me just look for that particular store. I want to show you. Okay, explore NFTs. So you can just change this to sell. Let's change sell more. If you want to save, change sell more. Just click on save. So I just if you notice, I just added more to it, right? So let me just show you. Go back to the website and see if more has been added to it, right? So this is the website, right? So we just have to reload the website. You can see there's no more here, right? There's no more. But once we just click on this and reload it, let us see if more will be shown. Give few minutes so you can see more has been added, right? You can see. So that's how you edit anything on it from content. So aside that, let's log in. So in order for us to log in, we have to attend we have to fix some stuff from database first. So in order for us to log into database, click here and write admin and click send. It's going to take you to the database of this particular website. So it's asking you to log in. Now what's the username? Now I will show you how to know check your username also. If you want to check your username, for if you want to check your username, let me just show you that basically if you want to check your username, you you go to your PHP file. You see admin, click on admin. Then you see username admin, password 1256. That's how you check your username. You understand? So aside that, let's go back to our login. We're trying to log into the admin, right? So we put our password, put our admin, put everything already. So we are in already. You can see this is our dashboard, this is admin dashboard of the particular website. So next thing for us to now is for us to go to our setting, website setting. So we're able to set this right way. So copy this, change this, and we can call this I just leave it as global NFTs, right? So we need an email also. We need to change our email, and also you can change the team address and every other thing here. So basically, I want to change this email now. What am I supposed to do? Now I'm going to go back to my file manager. Then, okay, click here to go back to your file manager. Then I'm going to create a new email for this, or copy any of the previous email I have already. So basically, if I want to create an email, I have too many email here. I think I've reached my limit already, 5 years. So I'm going to, if you want to create a new email, just click on create and follow the process. Kind of very easy to do that. So aside that, let me just copy any of this email here. I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to be using that for that particular stuff for the setup. So I'm going to put it here. So we don't put in the already. So next first is just to save. So you put your HTML address if you want to use it, if you want to put your, if you want to use the website. You put your HTML address down there. So we're done. We saved that successfully, right? So now let's go ahead and create an account. So I'm going back to the website. This is not the website because there's NN here. This is another folder. This is the initial folder we used. So let's go back to the website. Okay, so this is the website. I think this is the website here, but we just need to go to the front end and click enter. Then we see how it's going to look like. So this is the website, right? Let's wait for it to load. But while waiting for it to load, let's check my Gmail account, and see. Well, you can just remove this more because I just showed you this as a sample. You know, you can actually edit it from Reddit, right? So we're done setting up everything. So I'm just going to okay. So we want to log in, right? So first we need to go register, right? We don't have an account with this, so we have to register first in order for us to log in. So in order for you to go register, let me just register quickly. Hold on, let's just load up. So I'm going to call this so email. I'm going to use pass. I'm going to use pass. You just have to use so we're done. Agree to terms and conditions, then sign up. Right. So we've signed up. So it's going to send email if confirmation code to our email. So that's why I was opening my email initially to just make sure it's opened. So we are going to check a new email just pop up here, right? Right. So click on this. You can see dear subscriber X2. Remember this is the name I use when creating. So this is my confirmation code, right? I'm going to copy. I'm going to go to the folder. Okay. I think use this. Okay, so I'm going to put the confirmation code here, right? Then I confirm. She's going to take me to the dashboard of my account. So this is dashboard of my account, right? This dashboard of my account, you can see, right? This is dashboard of my account, right? So you can see it is showing this NFTs, right? Different from the other one, previous one, right? So now I'm going to show you how to remove these particular ones and put a new one to it, right? So in order for us to do that, first of all, we're going to just create one. So go to the admin dashboard, back to the admin dashboard of this. So this is the admin dashboard of this, right? So this is admin dashboard, right? So we want to create a new NFT, right? So I'm going to pick an image. So I'll call it this. I'll just call it Lakers. Put any description I feel like putting. Price, I'm going to put 2.4. Category, I'll put champion. Owner, I'll put Lakers. Bid, I'll put 3. I'll put on and create the NFT, right? So I'm done creating the NFT successfully, right? You can create as much as you want to create. So let me go back to the website and reload. Right, this is the website, right? So we can see we can't find it here, right? So let me just reload and see. So you can see it has appeared here, right? You can see. So now let's go back to um admin, right? uh, this, go back to this, then go to this is okay. Okay, so we go to NFTs here, right? So we're going to delete every NFTs, all of the NFTs here, right? Aside for the Lakers. So we're done deleting most aside for the Lakers, right? Right. So let's go back to the website. So this is the website now. That's the initial one, right? You can see we refresh now. You can see you can't find any of them any longer. We can only find one. So at this one, you can add as much as you want to add to it. We can also make deposit to this. Let me make deposit to this. So so once I'm done making deposit, I'm going to show what is okay. I'm going to make a deposit of 200 as gas fee. I don't want to make it to my Ethereum wallet. I want to make it as gas fee. You can make it to Ethereum wallet or gas fee, any of them. This then you copy this, you make deposit. When you're done making deposit, you click on this, choose the particular file, a screenshot of the deposit you just made. Then let me just wait. I'll click this as a particular file. Then I click on this. I'm just using that as a sample though. So you submit. Now we've successfully make a deposit of 200, right? So go back to our dashboard, right? So this is our dashboard, right? So go back to now NFT list, um, front, right? Pending deposit, right? Go to the pending deposit. Then we can see a deposit of 200 Ethereum, right? For as gas fee. You can see the picture of this. So which you'll be seeing the real picture of the payment. So click on this particular place here, right? And click on approve. Once you approve a particular payment, it's going to leave this place, right? So click on it. So I don't think we'll find here any longer, right? So next thing for us to now is go back to our website, then go back to explore, right? So we see our balance. Our balance is 200 gas fee. So we can also do the same by adding more funds to our Ethereum wallet itself, which is our Ethereum, by clicking on this place to pick Ethereum, Ether, and clicking and putting any amount of Ether, then clicking choosing the particular one. I'm just trying to rush deep through because we're repeating the same functions we just did just now. Click on this the image again, then click and submit. Then you done for that again. You go back to the admin dashboard, you accept the payment by just clicking on to see initial deposits. Listen to, you can see of 1000, right? Ether, you click on this particular part here, right? You can accept, approve the payment. Then once you're done approving the payment, then it's going to reflect in the user end, right? So you can see this is just showing. Then I'm going back to explore again to see my payment of $1000, right? 1000 Ether, right? 10,000 Ether, you can see it's displaying here. So you can actually pay or bid for any Ether or buy if you want to buy. If you want to buy, you just click on the Ether, just click on it. Then it's going to show like this. You put it costs 2.4, right? You just put the amount as 2.4 and place a bid, right? This is the description I put. Remember, bid placed successfully, right? So it's going to change subscribe. That's the name of the user. That's my name. My amount has been reduced, and if I go back to explore, it will show down here 4 bid. Initially it was showing 1 bid, now it's showing 4 bid. So and that is that about that. Basically you can do more if you just spend more time with it. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Stay tuned. So if you have any question, you can just give me write the question at the comment section below. Thank you.